Hello, dear students. How are you? I hope you all are fine and taking care of yourself and your family. Due to COVID 19, we all are at home. We have started new technologies to study from home. So, let's start with History and Civics Standard 6. Here are the contents. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5 is for the first term. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 and 11 is for the second term. First chapter, the Indian subcontinent and history. 1.1, geographical conditions and the course of history. 1.2, geographical features of India. 1.3 is the Indian subcontinent. So, first I am going to read the summary, that is the brief part. History and its pillars. History is a current account of the significant past events in the progress of human civilization. Four major pillars of history are time, place, society, and individuals. Geographical conditions and history. The component place is related to geographical conditions. History and geography are inseparable. History is influenced by geographical conditions. Diet, clothing, housing, occupation, and entire human life in any region depends on its geographical features. Therefore, we find differences in the lifestyle of the people of the hilly regions and those of the plains. Human settlements have flourished wherever the means of living are plentiful. Degradation of the environment, drought means dryness, invasions etc. lead to the scarcity of means and people are forced to leave their settlements. 1.2 Geographical features of India. India is a large country having Himalayas. See on the top, the Himalayas are shown to you. See the figure. India is a large country having Himalayas towards the north, the Bay of Bengal towards the east, the Arabian Sea towards the west, and the Indian Ocean towards the south. The following regions are seen to be important when we look at the course of Indian history. The Himalayas, the plains of Sindhu Ganga Brahmaputra rivers, the Thar Desert, the Deccan Plateau, the coastal regions, the islands in the seas. So we'll start with the first, the Himalayas. The Hindu Kush and the Himalaya ranges have created an impenetrable wall on the northern side of the Indian subcontinent. There is a land route through the Khyber Pass and the Bolan passes. See the figure? The Khyber Pass and the Bolan passes in the Hindu Kush mountains. The trade route from China passed through Central Asia and reached Arabia. It is also known as the Silk Route. Second, the plains of the Sindhu Ganga Brahmaputra. This region consists of three big rivers, Sindhu, Ganga, Brahmaputra and their tributaries. Third one, the Thar Desert. You can see the figure over there. The Thar Desert spreads across Rajasthan, Haryana and some parts of Gujarat. The desert has the Satluj River to its north, the Aravalli mountain range to its east. Fourth one, the Deccan Plateau. This region describes Deccan Plateau falls within the Indian Peninsula. Vindhya and Saputara mountain ranges are to its north, whereas the Sahyadri mountain range is towards west. Sixth, the coastal region. From the time of the Harappan civilization, ancient India had trade relations with the western countries. This trade was carried on by sea. 6. The islands in the sea. Andaman and Nicobar are the Indian islands in the Bay of Bengal. Lakshadweep is a group of Indian islands in the Arabian Sea. 1.3. The Indian subcontinent. The cities of Harappa and Mohenjo-daro are in today's Pakistan, Afghanistan, Pakistan, Nepal, Bhutan, Bangladesh, Sri Lanka and India together form the region known as South Asia. So the expanse and significance of India in this region is known as the Indian subcontinent. See the map. On the top it is shown the Hindu Kush mountain, the Himalayas mountain, then you see the Afghanistan, Pakistan, Thar desert, you see the India, Deccan plateau, Bangladesh, Myanmar, Bay of Bengal, Nepal, see the Ganga river. For that you have to go through the index. See that index, pass is shown over there, that is the way to go. Second one, the blue one is the river. Next, that is the mountain. Yellow part, it is shown in the desert. Then there is the international boundary with the dots and the line. And the brown, it is shown as the plateau. See the Indian Ocean, Sri Lanka, Arabian Sea, Andaman and Nicobar Islands, Lakshadweep. My dear children, you have to go through the chapter, read it. I've just read the brief part of the chapter. I'll give you the worksheet. You have to solve that worksheet. When you come back to school, you have to show it to me. Thank you.